How to replace a Gorilla car tire.
Changing the wheel on a Gorilla cart. You can see how bad the wheel looks. It's about, what, 6 years old? 5 years old?
Yeah, about that.
Just
You know, weather and usage.
And it's been in water quite a few times. Sitting in water. So this is the second tire that he's changing. He already changed this one a few months ago and it's working perfectly. Why buy new when you can fix what you already have? We're on a teacher's budget and sustainability is a budget-friendly option. Stick around to the end and we'll tell you more about the replacement wheel, where we got it and how much it cost. Before we move on, I want to thank all of you for being here and for watching our videos. Please consider hitting the like button and subscribing to our channel. Rest it in there. There we go. The old tire's off.
Old and rusty, so I didn't get a new one, just hoping that the old one would do, but it has to do. I just got that little top, get it in, and once you're in, you just bent it a little bit, and that's it. That's it. It's good to go.
As good as new. It's a hard-working cart in perfect size. Perfect size for the food forest for gardening. And we can pull a lot of wood chips with these. I should say we have pulled, I don't know how many tons of wood chips over time with this Gorilla cart.
Just go to Arbor Freight, got me one for almost $10 or it with tax. This is a 10-inch pneumatic tire with a steel hub from Arbor Freight, but you can order this type of tire anywhere online.
If you want to watch more do-it-yourself videos, check out our How to Garden Project playlist. Before you go, please hit the like button and subscribe. Whenever you watch, like, save, share and subscribe to our channel, you support our dream of expanding the Density Teachers Family Farm, and we can't wait to take you along on our journey.
Thank you for watching, and thank you for making the world a little greener.